morning, everybody. We're in Fayetteville, Arkansas on this beautiful property. We've got this old little preformed pond we're going to rip out, and we're going to take and put in a pondless basin here and do a real low lying stream all the way back up into here. We're going to rip out all this walkway and put in some big slab stones, and then they're going to come back and they're going to put moss over this whole space. It's going to be killer. It looks super awesome. Guys are cleaning out the water out of this basin right now, and then we're going to tear this thing out, lay out our aqua block basin, and get the scratched dirt out of the way. Okay, we got all the main boulders set. We got a fall here, a really cool fall here that kind of cuts back and cantilevers way out. And then we got a nice little twist in there, and then this log frames this fall and also goes up, and it's gonna be the waterfall in between these boulders up there. I got a little bit more picking around to do on that. Cool little log cut in here. The kids can sit on, put their feet down in the basin, so this edge will get filled up, backfilled to that, and then the liner edge will be hidden right there. And then we got this really cool mossy stump. We still got to run our plumbing for our waterfall. We'll go around, oops, sorry, my hand went in the way. Right place, we'll go around on this back side over here and then come through that bulkhead up there. So I'll have a Y here with a ball valve to control the bubbler. And we've got a light coming in there as well. And it's hard to tell in the video, but that rock slants down this way, so it'll bubble. Should get a little bitty, hopefully a little bitty waterfall right there off of that. Right beside that one. I think it'll look really, really cool. Got a cool little cantilevered spot back in there as well, but looking pretty sweet. We just got it all buttoned up. We got our beam rock in here, got our slabstone walkways, got another set of steps there for them. We got our waterfall going. Bubbler turned out pretty sweet, and I really like how we integrated all these wood pieces that we found on the property and how this log turns into the first waterfall up here. All this moss and ferns, and this look pretty awesome. And then that's a great spot to plant some creeping stuff, so like a creeping jenny or some ajuga, or even impatiens could do really good in there. Have a big mound of impatiens growing there to look awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I really like this project. Turned out pretty cool. I like how it just lays in here and it really changes the space back here for this awesome deck they have, and you can also see it from inside the house in their living room and their kitchen across the way. So let us know what you think. Hope you enjoyed it. That's a wrap on this one. We kind of got some rain last night, so water's a little brown. Our basin's a little bit fuller. But super stoked how this one turned out and how the walkway turned out. It's going to be gorgeous when they get all their moss growing in. We're ordering a bunch of sheet moss, so all of this soil that you see and even in the joints, that's eventually all going to be moss because it gets so much shade over here. It's going to grow really, really good, and it's going to look awesome growing right up to the edges on this waterfall. So we got about a 200-gallon reservoir and about 50, 60 gallons of water in motion. Been really enjoying watching their kids out here playing today. They've had a lot of fun watching them, having boats come down and Ninja Turtle fights and wars. Just super fun to watch. Just love how natural this one turned out, how it really lays into the slope. The log turned out great. We got some moss and ferns off of their property. Got it planted up. The log is the waterfall up there. They already got a couple little gnomes up there by that fern moss. They got a couple little ferns up there growing out of that stump we put in there. Super stoked to have built this for this family and their kids and grandkids to enjoy and play. And she said that she has spent almost every evening since we turned it on the deck, either sitting over here or in their sunroom right here, their screened-in porch. There's a little day bed right there that she spends a lot of time on. So anyways, hope you guys like it. Let us know what you think.